Okay, real quick, here's what's going on. I'm gonna get you guys into making some money right now. Look, this is a course I'm gonna give you guys for free. It's pretty comprehensive, it's pretty killer. Let me go back up to the top and show you what's doing. Okay, unique system, banks, total newbies, $214.83 an hour, blah, blah, blah. Look, I'm not gonna go through this whole thing. This isn't gonna cost you a penny before you have your defenses up, right? Here it made $59.96 with free traffic, $31.42 from one passive campaign, on and on. Okay, I'm gonna give you a link to this page, and you're gonna come here and you're gonna grab this for free. So let's just take a more advanced look at this page here. Here's my buddy, Brendan, my buddy. Holy cow, what a good guy. Shaheen, and there's my ugly face. I hope it doesn't make you puke. But anyway, this is what's going on. $200 a day, $3,000, blah, 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 blah. Okay, you guys have seen these sales pages a million times. Plus, you can win this iPad. You'll come to this page, it'll explain it. But anyway, here's what's going on. I put together this course as a bonus incentive for you guys that come into the Kinghuman Elite and get a 7-day free trial. What's the Kinghuman Elite? The Kinghuman Elite is my website. I'll show it to you right now. Here it is, the kinghumanelite.com, online educational academy where you learn how to make money on demand from anywhere in the world. All you need is a laptop, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, who cares? Okay, get free access for 7 days. There's a 7-day free trial in here. So this is what I have put together for you. When you click the link below and come to this page, you will click on one of these get free instant access. And that's going to take you to this sign-up form for the Kinghuman Elite Online Education Academy for a 7-day free trial. Now, this course is inside the Kinghuman Elite. It's not going to cost you a penny. You get 7 days to come into the Kinghuman Elite. 7 days for free, and you will get access to everything in the Kinghuman Elite, including this course right here, and including the possibility of winning the free iPad. The reason I'm giving an iPad away is because I think it's a decent tool for you guys to be able to use to make money online. You can use it to shoot your videos. You can use it to do your email marketing. I use my iPad all the time. I sit at a coffee shop, I open it up, I will log on to my autoresponder, for example. I'll hit a few buttons, send out an email while I'm at a coffee shop or even at the beach. I live pretty close to the beach, or in Vegas or whatever, and boom goes the dynamite, money comes rolling in. But anyway, that's why I'm giving away this iPad. You have a chance to win it, doesn't cost you a thing. And to enter to win, all you have to do is come and, like I say, click this little yellow badge, come in here and sign up for your 7-day free trial offer. Now, again, you'll get access to everything, the full course and everything in the money pages on my website. That includes done-for-you businesses in a box that you can slap your name on and sell as your own product, and unlimited access to everything inside the members area. Go in there, download as much as you want. If you don't see the value of being a member of the Kinghuman Elite, you can cancel anytime, and before the 7 days is up, and you won't be charged a single penny. And you'll be able to easily cancel if you want to. There's a member management portal inside the website. So all of that is a slam dunk in my opinion. But, you know, It's your life. You live it. Do it, don't do it. I really don't care. But the minimum you need to do is click the link below and come to this page and see what it's about, right? Because there's nothing in here that's asking for money. You're not going to pay a penny for this. You're going to get access to this absolutely free, and you might win this iPad. All right? So I ask 2 favors of you. First of all, like this video. Secondly, share this video. I don't know. Do they even have a like video? No. Hit the subscribe button and ding the stupid little bell. That's what you got to do. Okay. I can't remember what's going on. All these different platforms have been going mental. I'm losing it. Okay, sorry this was a crap video, but look, I got no time. I'm working on building a huge bonus vault for everybody that comes into the Kinghuman Elite. I am putting together about 10 bonuses just like this, just as powerful as this one. So this is only the first. All right, go away, you bother me. Don't annoy me. I'm on the edge of having a thrombo. All right, I gotta go.